You have a beautiful sketchbook you're afraid to touch? That's not your fault. Beautiful spreads start here. This is a trash sketchbook. A trash sketchbook isn't about getting better at drawing. That happens anyway. It'll make you stop being afraid to draw at all. By the end of this video, you will know exactly why you need a trash sketchbook. You will learn 3 rules of the trash sketchbook, and no one of them are about drawing beautifully. You will stop being afraid to draw, and beautiful spreads will come naturally. First, figure out why you're sketching. Just because doesn't count. You need a real reason, something that pulls you back even when you don't feel like it. The 3 most common ones: getting better, breaking out on an art block, building a regular habit. For me, it's warming up. Once my hand gets moving, everything else goes faster. If you can't name your reason, maybe daily drawing it's just something social media told you to do. Think about it. The trash sketchbook has a rules. Rule 1. The cheapest sketchbook you can find. One you don't mind ruining. I picked this one, not the best paper, but it looks nice enough. The visual side matters to me. It's like budget moleskin. The main thing's no attachment. Some people draws on loose sheets or spiral pads. That's fine, but you have to be okay with destroying it completely. Rule 2. Something you can't erase. I use this gel pen. Find one that doesn't annoy you. Mine writes super fine and smooth. Why no eraser? Because once that line is down, it stays. No going back. And can't fix it, can't judge it. Rule 3. References. Prepare them before you sit down. Open Pinterest, draw whatever comes up. People, objects, random things, doesn't matter. No theme, no goal, just draw. Let me show you my own first trash sketchbook, where I started and where I am now. In the beginning, I started in the way everyone does, very carefully. And honestly, the sketches weren't working. Nothing was coming out right. Everything felt forced. Then I got tired of that. I made a decision. This is now a throwaway sketchbook. The moment I stopped caring about it, everything got so much more interesting. I'll show you the bad spreads too, because that's actually the whole point. And hold on, there's something important coming up. I'll show you the sticker trick that rescues several of my spreads. And I'll explain why dating every spread isn't being obsessive. It's the way to actually see that you're making progress. So, date every spread, every single one. Drawing every day is a loose concept. Life happens. The date is the only way to see how much time you are actually putting in. You will be forget. I mean it. The drawings can be completely different. Portraits, cartoons, figures, random fragments. I still can't tell that some of mine are supposed to be. The goal is to fool the whole spread in one sitting. One evening, one spread. Give yourself a check mark and go get a cookie. One more thing, stickers. If there's a spot that drives you crazy, cover it and draw on top. No need to tear the page out. No need to start over. Just a sticker. And last, keep the sketchbook somewhere visible, always. The moment it goes in the drawer, it disappears for a month. Here's how it works in practice. You pick up the trash sketchbook and draw without expectation. Then you open the beautiful one and make a spread you're actually proud of. That's it, seriously. I still love flipping through this sketchbook. It's messy. Some pages are honestly terrible. But its sketchbook changed my skill, my relationship with drawing. I changed my mind with those perfect spreads. The internet keeps feeding us. Keep a sketchbook like this without expectation, no pressure, no Instagram, just for you. It works, I promise. From this, you get to this. I've used this method across 6 sketchbooks now, and every single time it helped me warm up, find freedom, improve my skill, draw faster, and honestly find my own style. It's that powerful. I just started another one, and every trash sketchbook gets me there faster than the last. Tell me in the comments, is your sketchbook alive right now or waiting for a perfect moment that never comes? If this video changed something for you, subscribe. I will tell you more about drawing. See you in the next video.